Okay guys, look, hold on. This is my first girl. Okay guys, I'm gonna start doing my hair right now. It's looking a little frizzy because it was raining outside today. So I need to do something about this frizz and the straightness and get it to look actually decent. So I'm gonna use the VODANA Glam Wave curling iron. Look at it. First of all, it's in pink. Pretty in pink. I like pink. So I'm gonna use this one, and it has like a 1.4 inch barrel. This is good because I don't like the small, tiny curling irons. I can't really do anything with those. So when it's like big curls, it actually looks really great. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna do the front of my hair. I am so nervous because I want to do a good job, but we'll see what happens. So I'm just gonna start by brushing my hair first of all. So I'm gonna brush it all around. From what I read, they did an experiment on someone and they curled someone's hair and they curled it more than 3,000 times. This is what I read again, but when they curled it more than 3,000 times, there was almost no heat damage on this person's hair. So that's pretty freaking cool that they did like a study just to like see what the effects would be. So I feel like I'm very trusting of this iron to do my hair. I'm just having hair all over the place right now. It's so frizzy, oh my gosh. Ah! So again, I'm just gonna do one piece in the front and then I'm gonna kind of like section my hair off just so I can get the rest of the curls in. So not too big of a piece, not too small. And we're gonna start. So first of all, I'm just kind of gonna glide it down and I'm gonna stop about right there and twist it around. Okay, and I'm gonna leave it for like 5 seconds. And then I'm gonna let it go. Let go of that. So what you wanna do is make sure you have like the clamp and the barrel, you know, make sure they're like working with each other. But I wanna mention like the space that's in between. Oh God, oh my gosh. Okay guys, look, hold on. This is my first girl. Look at that, wow. Wow, my gosh. This is so, look, it's already looking better from like the straight hair. Look, me straight, me curly. So this is the first one. But I want to mention that the clamp and the barrel, they have like a space in between. And this is good for like if you're doing your hair with this curling iron, you're not gonna tangle it, you're not gonna rip it, it's not gonna like get caught up in it. This is really, really good. So it's like, so the hair can glide very easily throughout the entire iron. So next one, I'm just gonna take maybe this much of a piece. The not too big, not too small pieces are working for me. So we're gonna stick to that little mantra there. And I'm gonna section it with my clips, my VODANA clips. First of all, these are so cute. Okay, let me just mention that. I love the aesthetic of the pink, like their products are pink and stuff like that. I don't know, it just makes me feel like I like my products when they're like cute colors. When they're like black and like white and like this, I feel boring. So just like your makeup, you know, you gotta have some like color with your hair products and stuff like that. And I'm definitely not a hair expert, but I love doing my hair. So this is actually really fun for me. I don't know why, but I get joy out of this because I don't have a life. All right, and I'm gonna start it about right there. So I'm keeping the clamp away from my face because I feel like I get better curls when I do that. Plus the barrel heats up evenly from top to bottom. So it's like actually getting the curls to like stay there. So I'd say that's about 5 seconds. I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit because I want it to curl evenly. And I'm just gonna wrap it around just a little bit more because I see where at the top I kind of have like that space. But I wanna show you guys something because you gotta make sure that it's hitting the barrel because that's where the heat is coming from, obviously. So I'm gonna keep doing this all the way around until I finished. Okay guys, so I just finished the left side of my hair. How does that look? I'm just gonna like put my hand over it, over my face and over my hair. So this is the left side. It looks pretty good so far. This is my first time ever using this iron, so for the first time it actually looks pretty good. I think I did pretty well considering I use a flat iron all the time. So, looks pretty good for a first time thing. It was actually pretty easy to use, and it's really beginner friendly, so no need to worry if you don't know how to use it. I'm pretty sure you'll figure it out because the clamp just kind of helps with a lot of stuff there. And we'll see what it looks like when I finish the right side, so stay tuned. And then pull it down, wrap it around, go to town, and then you pull it down. Oh shoot, I'm rhyming. So this is the final result. Now go from when I was having it like straight and frizzy to now, and I feel like this looks a lot better. And with the curls like that were here, I like to throw that behind me so then it gives me more of a layered, kind of longer, fuller look. And you see, my hair looks a lot more voluminous than it did before. So that is my look. I hope you I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys liked me curling my hair, because I am very proud of myself for using this iron, a curling iron in general, for the first time and actually succeeding, because all the other times I failed. This was my first try and I did pretty good. I did okay, I did decent. I'm not gonna like say I was perfect, but I did decent. So I'm very grateful, I'm happy, but that's it. Nothing more to see here, so I'll see you guys later, bye.